Hi all, Vanakkam and welcome to Bottom Line with Balaji. It's not yet over. Keep that in mind, stay safe and save others too. I was trying to do a small research on what is the common factor, common point which revolves around every client I meet. As a financial life coach, I come across one word which is quite often used by most of the people I meet. What is that word? It's nothing but the words stress. I thought this week we'll talk about stress. We will stress upon the word stress. Interesting, isn't it? While I was going through various books to find out what could cause stress, in one of the books, I found that one single picture gave me the answer, a very simple answer, which I tried to dissect and found that this is very apt. It suited me, my line of thinking, my line of solution for finding the reason for what could cause stress. I show this to you. Please look at it and see if it adds value to you. Very simple but very effective. The basic cause this picture tells us is very, very simple. All of us have our expectations, and if the expectation set by us is here and the reality is positively more than our expectations, we are very, very happy and blissful. We feel blessed. If the expectation is here and the reality is not positive and is much lesser than our expectation, we feel stressed. This reason, gap between the expectation and the reality, is what is causing stress to us. Agreed? Suddenly it reminds me of, somebody trying to translate what I'm speaking to their group of pros. You're able to listen to this? Yes, interesting. How you look at it is what is going to either make you feel that the crow is disturbing, or the other creative way of thinking that it is beautiful. You can enjoy. Now that we know the reason and the cause for what is disturbing us, it's easy to handle it using our creative thinking, using the right answer, choosing the right answer for the problem, failing which always professionals are available and you can always get back to us and we are there to work with you. All the best to you. It's the usual time for thinking. Happy weekend to all of you. Do subscribe and share these videos to all your near and dear.